Leo. You look worried. What happened?
Yeah, I have a problem. A big problem.
Oh no, tell me, what is it?
I went outside and I forgot my key.
You forgot your key? Oh, Leo, that's not good.
Yes, I closed the door. Now the key is inside.
Oh, so you locked yourself out.
Yes, I locked myself out.
Okay, that is a problem. But maybe we can find a way.
Wait, it gets worse.
Worse? What do you mean?
My phone is also inside.
No key and no phone?
Exactly. I have no key and no phone.
Oh, Leo, that's really unlucky.
I can't open the door. I can't call anyone.
What about your roommate?
He will come back tonight, very late.
So you can't go inside until tonight?
Yes, that's right.
That means you have one free day.
A free day? It doesn't feel free. It feels scary.
Why scary?
Because no phone, no key, I feel nervous.
Don't worry, Leo. Maybe this is not so bad.
Not bad? Really?
Yeah, maybe this is a good thing.
A good thing? I don't understand.
Think about it. One day without a phone.
One day without a phone? That sounds terrible.
Or maybe it can be fun.
Fun? Without a phone?
Yes, we can go out, we can see things.
Go out? Where can we go?
Let's start with the library.
The library? Okay. But how can we go?
Easy. We can take the bus.
The bus? But I always use Uber, and I need my phone for Uber.
Not today. Today, we use the bus.
No phone, no key, just the bus?
Yes, exactly. No phone, no key, just the bus.
Oh, Mia, this feels strange.
Strange can be good. Trust me.
I don't know. One day without a phone, it feels impossible.
Not impossible, Leo. Just different.
Different? Yes, very different. I always use my phone.
I know, but maybe you use it too much.
Too much? Maybe. But my phone helps me. It tells me the time, it gives me music, it shows me the bus.
True, but today you don't need it.
Don't need it? But I feel lost.
Lost and free.
Free? I don't feel free. I feel nervous.
That's okay. New things can feel nervous, but new things can also be good.
Good? Without my phone?
Yes, without your phone, you can look, you can listen, you can talk.
Look, listen, talk. With no phone?
Yes, with your eyes, with your ears, with your mouth, not with the screen.
Maybe you are right. But what can we do?
Many things. We can walk, we can sit, we can eat, we can read.
Read? At the library?
Exactly, at the library.
Okay, library. But I still feel scared.
Don't worry, I will stay with you.
You will? All day?
Yes, of course. We can try together.
Together. That feels better.
Good. So, one day without a phone. Deal?
Deal, I think. Wait, what if I miss a call?
No calls today. Just life today.
No calls, just life? That sounds strange.
Strange, but good.
Okay. One day. Just one day.
Yes, one day. 24 hours. You can do it.
Can I? I am not sure.
You can. Trust yourself.
Trust myself. That is not easy.
But I trust you.
You do?
Yes, 100%.
Okay, that helps. Thank you, Mia.
You're welcome, Leo. Now let's start.
Start. Where?
To the bus stop.
The bus stop. Okay, no phone, no key, just the bus.
Yes, let's go. Adventure is waiting.
Adventure. That word makes me smile.
Good. Let's smile together.
Mia, are you sure about this?
Yes, Leo, I'm sure.
The bus feels old to me. I never use the bus.
Never? Really?
Really, I always use my phone to call Uber.
But today, no phone, no Uber, just the bus.
Okay. But how do we know the time?
We look at the bus stop sign.
The bus stop sign, not the app?
Exactly. Not the app, just the sign.
Okay, let's see. Wow, so many numbers. What do they mean?
They show the bus numbers and the times.
The times, but I can't read this.
It's simple. Look, this bus comes at 10:15.
10:15. And now, what time is it?
Look at the clock on the street.
Oh, yes. The clock says 10:10.
Good. So the bus will come soon.
Okay. I usually check my phone, but this works too.
See, you are learning already. Okay, Leo, let's get on.
Wait, what do I say?
Just say, 1 ticket to the library, please.
1 ticket to the library, please.
Bus driver, here you go.
Oh, I got the ticket.
Good job, Leo.
That was easy.
Yes, easy and simple. Where do you want to sit?
Near the window.
Good idea. Let's sit near the window.
Oh, wow. This feels new.
New? Why?
Because everyone is looking at their phones. Look around.
Yes, many people.
But me? I have no phone. I feel strange.
Strange is okay. Look outside.
Outside?
Yes, look at the trees. Look at the buildings.
Oh, nice. I see tall trees.
And big buildings.
Yes, it looks beautiful.
Better than a small screen, right?
Yes, better than a small screen.
See, without a phone, you can see the world.
See the world? I like that. Look, Mia, a park. Children are playing.
Yes, they're laughing.
And over there, a bakery. The smell is nice.
See, you can notice many things.
Yes, I feel calm.
Calm is good.
At first, I was nervous, but now I feel calm.
That's the magic of looking outside.
Thank you, Mia.
You're welcome, Leo. Okay, Leo, our stop is next.
The library stop?
Yes, the library stop.
Don't let me miss it.
Don't worry, I will tell you.
Without my phone, I feel lost, but also free.
Lost and free. That's interesting.
Yes, new for me, but maybe good.
See, one day without a phone is not so bad.
Maybe you are right.
Here we are, Leo. This is the library stop.
The library stop. Okay, let's go.
Yes, let's go. Adventure continues.
Adventure. I like that word. Wow, Mia, the library is so big.
Yes, Leo, it's big and very quiet.
Quiet? Really quiet. No cars, no noise.
Yes, the library is a place for reading and studying.
Reading and studying?
Exactly. People come here to focus.
Focus? What does that mean?
Focus means pay attention.
Oh, pay attention. I see. Oh, so many books. Books everywhere.
Yes, so many shelves, so many books.
I don't know where to start.
Let's find something fun.
Fun in a library?
Yes, fun. For example, cooking.
Cooking? In the library?
Yes, there are books for everything. Cooking, travel, history.
Not only novels?
Not only novels, everything. Here, Leo, look, a book about cooking.
Cooking? Let me see.
Yes, let's sit by the window.
Oh, this table feels nice.
Yes, the sunlight is warm. It feels comfortable.
Comfortable? What does that mean?
Comfortable means good and easy.
Good and easy. I like that.
Look at this page. It explains a recipe.
Recipe? What is that?
A recipe is a plan for food.
A plan for food? Like steps for cooking?
Exactly. Steps for cooking.
Oh, I like that. Let me read it slowly. Mia, this is nice. I can read without my phone.
See, books can give full information.
Full information?
Yes, not just small pieces, but full and clear.
Not small pieces, full and clear. I understand.
How do you feel now?
I feel calm, very calm.
That's the power of the library. It makes you calm.
Yes, I like it. I enjoy reading.
That's great, Leo.
Wow, I learned some new words. Recipe, comfortable, focus,
Good job. New words are important.
and I can use them now. That feels good.
Yes, practice makes words strong.
Strong words. I like that idea.
Tired?
A little. My eyes feel tired.
Then let's rest our eyes.
Rest our eyes? You mean stop reading?
Exactly. Stop reading for a while.
Okay, but what do we do now?
Let's go outside again.
Outside? Where?
To the beach.
The beach? Really?
Yes, the beach will help you relax.
Relax. That sounds good. Mia, today is strange
Strange, why?
because this morning I was nervous. No key, no phone.
And now?
Now I feel calm. I feel free.
Calm and free, that is a big change.
Yes, step by step, my day changed.
Step by step, that's right.
Today I learned something.
What did you learn?
I learned life can be full without a phone.
Full without a phone. I like that.
At the library, I learned to read slowly.
Yes, and you learned the word recipe.
Recipe, comfortable, focus.
Good memory, Leo.
At the beach, I learned to enjoy the moment.
Yes, you said, remember with our hearts.
Exactly. And at the cinema, I learned the big screen is amazing.
Bigger than a phone, brighter than a phone.
Yes, stronger sound, clearer picture, special.
4 places, 4 lessons.
Bus, library, beach, cinema.
And you practiced English in real places.
Yes, on the bus, in the library, on the beach, in the cinema.
You repeated new words again and again.
Repeating makes words strong.
Exactly. And now you feel more confident.
Yes, I feel more confident now.
Confidence is the best gift from today.
The best gift. Yes. My door is still closed. My key is still inside.
Yes, but look, you are not worried now
True. I am not worried. I can wait.
because you are calm
Calm, free, happy.
and proud.
Yes, I am proud. Mia, thank you for today.
You're welcome, Leo.
You changed my problem into an adventure.
Adventure with no phone.
Yes, no phone, no key, but full of life.
Less phone, more life.
Less phone, more learning.
That's the lesson.
I like it.